Kids, the pasta is ready. Come and get it while it's hot. Wow, it smells so good. It's almost ready. Can I help stir? Of course, come here. Wash your hands before eating.
Okay, Mom, we are coming.
Great. Sit at the table. All right, everyone, it's ready.
Wow, it looks so yummy. I'm so hungry.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you for the yummy pasta.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
This pasta is delicious. Best pasta ever.
I'm happy you like it.